Using a blank number line, adding on all the tens and bridging through 10. This is a method which will help pupils to mentally visualise what they're doing and make it a little bit easier. So, first of all, I'm starting at 34. So this goes on to my number line. Looking at the number 28, like before, I'm splitting it into my tens and units. I'm going to add my tens on first. 2 tens makes 20. I'm adding on 20. This gets me to 54. Now I need to add on the 8. If I'm doing 54 add 8, I know we'll end up going over 60. So we'll end up affecting the tens column as well. So to help me out, I'm first of all just going to go up to 60. Because that's my next 10. To get from 54 to 60, I'm adding on 6. So I've added 6 units on. I actually need to add on 8 units. So how many more do I need to add on? I'm at 6, added 6. I need to add 8. So I need to add 2 more units. That gets me to 62, which is my answer. Pause the video and have a go at these questions yourself, using the method of bridging to 10. So, first one, I'm starting at 28. I know I'm adding on 55, so I put my tens and my units. I'm going to start by adding my 50. So, adding 50 gets me to 73. Okay, for my units, I'm actually adding on 5. If I'm adding on 5, that will actually get me to less than 80. So I don't need to bridge the gap on this one. I just need to add on 5, gets me to 78, which is my answer. Now the bottom one, I am going to have to start bridging the gaps. Let's have a look at that one together. Starting at 37. I'm adding on 40 and 8. Add on my tens first. I'm adding on 40, and that gets me to 77. Now, I know if I add on 8 to 77, it will go into my tens column. So make it more than 80. So my first step is I'm going to make it up to 80. That's adding on 3. I've added on 3, but I need to add on 8. So I need to add on another 5, which gets me to 85.